It's alone time with me, myself, and I. Today, I will be trying the new restaurant dito sa Ayala. Ang pangalan ng restaurant nito ay Watame, and it was located near Watson, second floor ng Ayala Mall Central. Since umuulan ngayon, I am craving for spicy ramen. And dito ko talaga naisip kumain. So, it's a new restaurant and the ambience is nice. Tapos, may mga upuan din sila for solo people like me. Tapos, tatlo lang din naman yung in-order ko. First is yung spicy ramen. And I'm expecting it to be spicy talaga. The ramen is masarap. Maraming sahog. Hindi ganun kataba yung noodles. Hindi makunat kainin. Problema ko lang talaga, hindi siya spicy, best. But because maulan and I'm craving for something na may sabaw, nauhubos ko rin naman yung ramen ko. Tapos yung isa ko pang problema, if I'm not mistaken, dapat yung itlog is like soft-boiled, but this one is hard-boiled. Wala na yung runny effect ng yolk. So for the ramen, 8 out of 10. Next kong tinay is the spicy sushi. So syempre, it's a spicy salmon sushi. So dapat talaga, ina-expect ko talaga na spicy rin siya. And na-confirm kong hindi rin siya spicy. Pero syempre, dahil binayaran ko, marami kayong batang nagugutom sa mundo. Kinain ko pa rin. And nabusog pa rin ako. So this is what the sushi looks like. Maganda kaya yung kanilang pagkaka-plate. So for the sushi, it's 8.5 over 10. And then last is itong watermelon shake. It's really refreshing. So para sa akin, it's 9 out of 10. Bye-bye!